Hello there and pretty welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jave and I make videos about how to make money online. If by any means you are watching this video, which you are, it means you want to make some freakish online, so stick around till the end, so you don't miss any tips and tricks I will be sharing. Quickly, without any waste of time, let's head straight to Faucet Pay account, because that's where we will be withdrawing our earnings to. If you have any other account address also, it might work. And if you find the content of this video helpful, please consider pressing that red subscribe button in order not to miss any of my future videos. Click on deposit in your Faucet Pay account. Don't worry, we're just going to copy our wallet address so that all our earnings be sent to us. After clicking, scroll down until you see Tether or USDT, then click on it to copy your USDT faucet address. After copying our address, let's do a quick check on the amount of USDT token I have in my wallet before we head to our claiming site. Over here, we have about 0.73852 USDT token so far in our wallet. Scrolling down, I have collected 0.006 coins today, and I received 3 payouts today. Just drawing your attention to something. Now head to this website. Don't worry, I put link in the description below so you can check it out. This site allows you to earn as much as you can and you can withdraw anytime anywhere. Click on sign up to create your new account by filling in your email address, username, password, complete the captcha and click on sign up. After signing up, you will have to confirm your email. Then log into your newly created account before we proceed. There are lots of ways to earn from this site, so please don't skip any part of the video. After logging in, your account should look like this. As you can see, I've been using this site for a while, and I've earned over 32,000 tokens and withdrew about 9 times. A quick disclaimer, the site has some pop-up ads, so take your time to navigate the site. If you enjoy the content of this video, please like the video because it motivates me to create more videos. Okay. Scroll up the page and click on the menu tab at the upper right corner, which will bring you here. Click on Manual Claim. With this claiming, you earn 400 tokens every 5 minutes. Let's go through the process of claiming, so you know how. Scroll down and complete the captcha. Captcha can sometimes be tricky, so beware. Click on the antibot links in order 7, 4 and 9 and then click on Claim. There it is, 400 tokens added to our balance. So we can claim in 5 minutes time. But wait, the site has more ways you can earn. Manual Claim 2 also gives you 200 tokens every 3 minutes. Just follow the step we did earlier. In fact, I love this site because they always have a good way for you to earn while you wait. Here we have Manual Claim 1, 2 and 3. With those ones, we have 700 tokens already, so imagine how much we're going to make. And then we have auto claim that gives 2 tokens for every 10 energy, which I would not advise. Then we can surf ads, which also pays a lot. Earnings on this site is endless. Check it out. Here, there, here and there. Wheels of Fortunes is also like a jackpot. You can win any amount of token, but it costs 10 energy for each spin. And then Lucky Number also gives any amount of token, depends on your luck. Right here, we won $100. Just repeating the process to earn more tokens and we will try to withdraw. To withdraw our earnings, click on the menu tab at the right corner. Scroll down till you see Withdraw. Click on it. The minimum withdrawal limit is just 100 tokens. But wait, we copied an address from the beginning of the video, so let's just paste it in. Or you can just paste in your email address you used to register your Faucet Pay account. And then click on Authorize. Scroll back to the top and click on Withdraw. Type in the number of token to withdraw. Select the currency and click on Withdraw. Now let's head to Faucet Pay account to check whether we received the payment. Scrolling down, right here, we have 0.007 and 4 payouts received. But previously we had 0.0062 and 3 payouts. That shows we received our earnings. Site is paying, so please hurry and claim while it still pays. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.